Moving over to the charts, looking at the S&Ps here, you can see on the day we were up about a quarter, and we gave a lot of that back already after hours. So it was only up $1.44 on the day, and then after hours we're down 80 cents. So gave up about half of the day's gains. Momentum fading really. It's still stepping higher, but not by much. RSI basically flat here. You do have the potential for a short-term touch of this trend in here. That would be much, much higher. It's a really steep trend line at 617.50. I'm not expecting that by any means. But we did get above this trend line here. We did test this one and then bounce back up above that 610.87 level. So that's 2 days in a row being able to hold that after pulling back. And you can see it here on the short time frames what that looked like. Pulled back to the trend area, pulled back to that 55 EMA, and then we did go to a higher high. So your all-time high now is 613.23 on this chart, and then we pulled back to the trend here. In the after hours, we're holding that level. We'll see if it can continue to hold or if it's going to pull back to that 610 level. For me, this is grinding price action, and I'm just not expecting it to really break higher in any kind of extended way. I think this is probably going to chop sideways. Remember, seasonally, this is not a super great time either, so I'm expecting a little bit more sideways consolidation, maybe slightly grindingly bullish over the next day or two, and then we'll see if it can continue to hold through the options expiration this Friday.